my cold, lonely soul, sweet release from my weary past. Always searching, the one missing piece was you. And I beg you, come away with me, and together we will find a place to call our own. I can't wait to see what I can do with a laptop like you. It's not your CD slot or the Unix on which you are based. You make my lap hot, 'cause underneath your aluminum case there's love. And I forgive your strange one-button mouse. I forgive the way your keyboard leaves marks on your screen. I can overlook a fault or two for a laptop like you. We will always be together in love in spite of everything. Hang on tight through wind and weather. Heaven knows what time they bring. In a year or two, you will seem big and heavy and slow. I will carry you to wherever it is laptops go to die. Don't think it won't be hard on me. How am I ever gonna find a way to justify the money I will spend on something new for a laptop like you? For a laptop like you. Welcome to my secret lair on Skull Crusher Mountain. I hope that you've enjoyed your stay so far. I see you met my assistant Scarface. His appearance is quite disturbing, but I assure you he's harmless enough. He's a sweetheart, calls me master, and he has a way of finding pretty things and bringing them to me.
So over here, I was trying to put in this screw up here. However, it wouldn't. Can you see it? It wouldn't stay in there. There's no threads like over here. So there's these things that just hang out from the bottom of the keyboard. This is the keyboard. Ooh, cool. These things, and then there's little threads right here, right? It's threaded. Wow. And that's where the screw goes. Well, I've got one hole here, one hole here, one hole over here, and here. And I've got one hole here, and one hole here, and one hole here. So that's 3, and there's 4 there. So what are we missing? Well, we're missing this thing. Now, I opened this and I had trouble getting this out for some reason. where is it? That screw, the Apple Store put on some of the yellow tape. I don't know if you can see that. Some yellow tape to keep that screw inside. See? See how, yeah. As you can see, it's the same type of tape they use to keep all the other parts down there. So, yeah, they broke my keyboard. So I'm missing this little, some bracket that was here. It's not there anymore. As you can see, it's broken. So I'm gonna just put it back together, and maybe I'll put a time-lapse video. So, this orange piece of tape kept coming off, so I put a little bit more black tape, electrical tape. Hopefully that doesn't do anything bad. Hopefully it withstands the heat and stuff that these things usually generate. And I blew a little bit of the dust that was inside the fans, and it looks all good. So I'm gonna put it together, and the thing here, and then this other thing here has snaps to the logic board. They're pretty easy to take apart. Yeah, so let me put that together and continue on. Bye.
Anyway, you busy with the telephone, no time for chat. Code Monkey have long walk back to cubicle. He sit down, pretend to work. Code Monkey not thinking so straight. Code Monkey not feeling so great. Code Monkey like Fritos. Code Monkey like Tab and Mountain Dew. Code Monkey very simple man, big warm fuzzy secret heart. Code Monkey like you. Code Monkey like you. A lot. Code Monkey have every reason to get out this place. Code Monkey just keep on working. See your soft pretty face. Much rather wake up, eat a coffee cake, take bath, take nap. This job fulfilling in creative way, such a load of crap. Code Monkey thinks someday he have everything, even pretty girl like you. Code Monkey just waiting for now. Code Monkey says someday, somehow. Code Monkey like Fritos. Code Monkey like Tab and Mountain Dew. Code Monkey very simple man, big warm fuzzy secret heart. Code Monkey like you. Code Monkey like you. Code Monkey says someday, somehow. Code Monkey like Fritos. Code Monkey like Tab and Mountain Dew. Code Monkey very simple man, big warm fuzzy secret heart. Code Monkey like you. Code Monkey like you.